This woman knocked very loudly on the homeowner's door at 3 a.m., saying she couldn't sleep because of the excessive noise and that she would take legal action. What did the homeowner say? Look what happens next.
You're gonna go down. I have an attorney. You have stopped us from literally sleeping every fucking night. You guys make noise. Are you fucking me right now? You've lost your fucking minds. Like, we don't sleep anymore. Because you guys are fucking fighting, fucking, and doing something.